All right, let's talk about HELOCs, guys. Getting a lot of questions about HELOCs, and I understand. If you have an interest rate 2 or 3%, it's more than likely you don't want to refinance that. So this presentation, a little bit about myself. You know me, I think. It's my contact information. You can find me on social at Mike.Belfor. Doing this 22 years with American Pacific Mortgage for 15. Love helping people. My value is faith, family, and service. Really just kind of bringing just a heart to care into every relationship that we have. So let's do what we do, or do what I do for the last 22 years. All right. So American Pacific Mortgage, known for creating experiences that matter. I love that. And really, our success is based upon our clients' success. Do we do all we can to help engage and really just help our clients every step of the way? So here's our agenda. What is a HELOC? Why use a HELOC? How a HELOC works? Program details. What makes a HELOC unique? The question is the HELOC right for you? What you need to apply? Common questions. So HELOC is a home equity line of credit. Lets you borrow against the equity of your home. It works like your credit card with credit limit and flexible access. It's ideal for home improvements, major expenses, and financial flexibility. Why use a HELOC? Well, here are kind of the main reasons: home renovations, upgrades, pay off high interest credit cards, education, tuition costs, major purchases or medical expenses, emergency fund, or a financial cushion. I actually used a line of credit, candidly, to purchase rental properties. So I used it, paid it off, used it, paid it off, and I kind of kept it revolving until I got to where I wanted when it came to really leveraging the equity in the home to acquire more rental properties. And if you have questions about that, happy to answer this for you. So how a HELOC works, you have a 10-year draw period. It's interest-only payments, a 20-year repayment penalty, period, which is interest and principal. And you only pay interest on what you borrow during a draw period. Access to funds is available um, over time. So, you generally have 10 years to draw those funds, 20 years to repay. It's a simple way to think of it. Program details, it could be a standalone or piggyback, meaning if it's standalone, you don't have a loan on your property. It would be a first place mortgage, meaning in first place. Piggyback would be essentially behind whatever loan you have on the particular property. The max combined loan to value is 89.9%. I mean, essentially, just call it 90, right? And what that means is if you have a mortgage, let's say of 700,000, your property's worth $1 million, and you got a second mortgage for, let's say, just about 200,000, that put you at 89 or just about 90% loan to value. So you'd have that HELOC for 200K, if you will. The debt to income ratio limit is generally up to 50%. Loan amounts from 25,000 to $750,000. So what makes it unique? You get to keep your first mortgage. There's no need to refinance. There's lower upfront payments with an interest-only draw. You could use it as a second lien when purchasing your property to avoid jumbo pricing, and there's flexible terms and generous loan amounts. Is a HELOC right for you? Well, if you built the equity and you need flexible access to funds, if you want to preserve your current low rate mortgage, right, as a lot of folks do these days, you prefer lower monthly payments and you meet the guidelines, then it may be right for you. Right. So what you need to apply: credit score 660, income documentation, property and mortgage details, over your existing debts. We'd have to qualify you. So will it affect your mortgage? No, it's a separate second lien. Okay. You borrow the full amount up front? No. Draw the funds as needed. Can you pay it off early? Yes. There's no prepayment penalties. So pretty simple, right? So if you have any questions on this program, let me know. I'm here to help. I want to be a resource for you. Definitely reach out, call, text, email anytime. And if you like, visit me on social at mike.belfor.